The good old down home country boy.
Mm-hmm.
He wants to stop, but he keeps him going.
Right, right. That's just part of it. It's all part of it. He doesn't fuss or fight. It's okay. I'm watching the horse and I forgot the video. I'll start to teach him to turn around a little bit and come down. That's just, you just walk him up and around, up and around, up and around, up and around, and then you start to bring him down into a little circle. This is a process. It takes a lot of time. But see how he's really nicely in the bridle? That is just, I'm so impressed. This is 90 days. I'm excited.